got a refill can of nitrogen in my nitrogen tank. It's very useful for a lot of different functions. One of the main ones is to prevent oxidation when you're brazing refrigerant tubing. If the oxygen is allowed to be present, it will make soot and ashes and all that kind of stuff build up inside the pipe, so we don't want that in the system, especially if you have TXVs, but even with capillary tubes, they can clog them. And so in order to prevent that from happening, we float a little bit of nitrogen through the line while we're brazing. But anyway, here's my new can, traded over to my regulator. You actually don't need any Teflon tape on the threads. If you did use Teflon tape, you'd want to use the yellow tape for gas, but it's actually not needed, any tape for mating this up. This one already has a little bit. I'll just leave what's here, leave it up a little bit, and turn my new deal in. Go, position it where I want it. This is also useful for clearing condensation lines, although it's more important to have it ready for when you're brazing. So you may not want to waste it on condensation lines, as a lot of times you can, with condensation lines, you can just get it with a wet dry vacuum. Most of the time is enough, especially because a lot of condensation drains have vents, and we don't want to, well, you'll have to plug the vent while you're vacuuming or putting pressure on the system, and this can actually put quite a bit of pressure. There we go. So, well, actually what happened is I put a little too much pressure. Anyway, we don't want to go that high. This side is our pressure regulator, and when we're floating it through for purging, we only want like 2 or 3 pounds, just a little trickle. And we can just trickle it through, do our brazing, and we're good to go. Anyway, that's replacing the deal on the nitrogen tank. Good to go. Now I'm ready for if I need it. Hopefully I don't need it, but it's good to have. Definitely want to be ready.